Hi students, so in this video we are discussing just another important topic or another important lesson, that is inspiring personalities. So in this lesson we are discussing some of the important persons. They given some of the contribution in the field of social or economic or service or based on culture related service or contribution. And we want to remember these persons always because of they given that much of contribution, and the most of the people they given focused about to keep peace in our society. So in that based only contribution they are given or they did the achievements. So who are the people they given this like of contribution, and what was the achievements they done, and why they are inspired to our life. So why we want to motivate or why we want to follow this ideology. So these are the matters we are discussing in this video. So why we want to remember these are the members, because of we want to know here these peoples they give an idea and they change the world also. Till that much time peoples they believed or they practiced bad evils. So when these are the peoples they came, they given the awareness to peoples or society. So what we are doing that is wrong. So what we are doing practice or our culture that is wrong. We want to do these like of works. So they given motivational words or motivational thoughts. So when they given, we started to follow, and our world also became changed. So on that base now we want to know, so who are the peoples they came and what was the contribution they given in our society, or what was the changes they done in our world. So that only now we want to know. So first here we can see there are some important personalities. So here they given Mahatma Gautama Buddha, Socrates, Raja Ram Mohan Rai, Abraham Lincoln, Swami Vivekananda, Mother Teresa, Nelson Mandela. So these like we can see so many of peoples. They fight against human rights. So what was the basic rights needed by humans? Because of only some peoples they got the so much of powers. Others remaining peoples, till that much time upper class peoples they started to dominate. So these are the peoples they took leadership and they given awareness to local peoples or who are low class peoples for them, and they eradicated so many problems. So that's why still their names we are remembering, the people's names who are the given contribution in our world society, still we are remembering. So that only we are discussing one by one. So first one here they given on the tin here is saying Gautama Buddha. The Gautama Buddha is one of the important leader and social reformer and religious reformer also. He born in the year of 563 BCE. So in that year he born, Gautama Buddha born in 563 BCE. And next one we want to know is original name in beginning name. This one here they given as a Siddhartha. Gautama Buddha's original name is Siddhartha, or beginning when he child. So at that time he got name as a Siddhartha. And his father is a king, name is Shuddhodana, and his mother name is Maya Devi. Gautama Buddha or Siddhartha's father name Shuddhodana and mother name here they saying Maya Devi. And he born in the place of Lumbini Gardens. In present we can see that in Nepal. So in that place he born. Place name is the birthplace of Gautama Buddha, that is Lumbini Garden. And so when he born, we are knowing he born in a king family. So we all are knowing he move life as a luxury life. He don't know anything other matters. Only knowing only how we can follow the luxury life. Because of he born in king's family. Because of they are rich. We are knowing kings means they are rich. So he born in same family, in king's family, in kingdom family. So he move life as a luxury. But when he came outside, so he saw some of the incident, some of the stories. So one is the old age, that incident, and second one of the person is facing the disease, and one body people they take care that one body to some other part. So these like when we see these like of incident, old age and disease and death, see some of the questions arise to Gautama Buddha or Siddhartha. Because of till that much time he move as a happy life, because of luxury life you don't know these are the matters. He did not thought we also become as a old age, we also getting disease, and we also want to die after the age. So you don't know these are the matters. When you observe these are the incident, So he fully confused because of what he learnt in their family, in luxury life families. That one he are not seeing. It's just some other life history or lifestyle. So now he is saying, so on that time he influenced the bhikshu, means who are hermit. So for that he influenced. So after that he started to search a truth, because of till that much time he believed that only luxury life, this only truth, only happiness, this only true. Because of, we don't know, because he is a king's son, so he don't know anything also. So when he saw this like of incident, a dead body and a diseased person and a old age person, so when he saw these are the incident, now he start to think, so what is truth? That means what is life? He want to search. So that's why one night when the others all are when they sleep, so on that time he left the house and become outside, and he started to search what was the truth. And he started meditation also, great meditations. So when he started meditation to search what is the real life, what is the truth of the life, so after that finally he got enlightenment. So when he got the enlightenment, that is people tree, so present we can see that place is Bodh Gaya. So in that place only he got enlightenment, means he got the knowledge what is truth of the life. So when you got this one, so after that here is saying that place is in Bihar, this Bodh Gaya, that one in Bihar. So after that Siddhartha came, or he became as a Buddha. That means he is a enlightened one. Till that much time his name is Siddhartha. So when he started meditation, after that when he got the enlightenment, so after that he became as a Buddha. Buddha means he is a enlightened one. He is a knowledgeable person. He got the truth of the life. So after that only they called as a Buddha. So now we understood how Siddhartha name has came as a Gautama Buddha. And next one now we want to know, so after the enlightenment, what was the teachings he told, he started to teach in the area of on that place. So they say after that he got, when he got the enlightenment, he got the truth of the life as a four noble truths he got as a enlightenment. After that, according to him, he say is a person last truth or last final work of human beings, that is nirvana or liberation. That means die. You want to, that is final truth. We want to should die. This is not a permanent place. What we came to earth, this is not a permanent place. Final truth or ultimate truth of the person, that is nirvana. That means liberation. That means die. So we want to know there are four important noble truth. That means this is the truth of the life. So that like he started to preach in that area, in the region of Bihar. So here they given one by one. So first one here they say life is full of sorrow. Till that much time Siddhartha started to practice only the happiness. But when he saw these are the incident, so after that he realized that this is not a truth. This is not a life. Life means full of sorrow. Why second point that only saying why people's life is full of the sorrow? Because of desire. We have the ambition. So that only main reason. So life of full is sorrow. Third one here they say another important noble truth, that is to be free from sorrow one should give up desire. That means why this one life is full of sorrow? Because of the desire. So how we can live this one, or how we can live as happiness? That means we want to become as a free of the sorrow. We want to should give up the desire. Means should not own any ambition or any goal. And final last one is saying the noble truth, that is desire can be controlled by following the eightfold path. So we are discussed in three important teachings or important truth. So first one we discussed about desire is full of the sorrow. So life is full of the sorrow. So why this one life is full of the sorrow? Because of the desire. So if we want to leave the sorrow, so that means we want to leave the desire. So how we can leave the desire? So that's why here Gautama Buddha given eightfold path. 8 path. So if we control or if we follow this one 8 ways, we can give up or we can live a desire and we can live as a happy life. So what was that one eightfold path he told? So that only given name as a Ashtamarga. Ashta means 8, Marga means route. So 8 ways he given. So what was the 8 path that one? So first one here they given right view. So what we sing in our environment, we want to see as a good way. And right intention. So our intention also become as a good. And speech. So what we are speaking, so that also we want to speak as a good way. And right to action. So what we are doing work, so that also we want to do as a good work. And right livelihood or lifestyle to become as a good. And right effort. So we want to implement good hard work. And right mindfulness. We want to think as a good thoughts. And right concentrations. And so what we are seeing, so we want to good intention or with good attraction only we want to see the incident or the situation. So these like Gautama Buddha is saying that only there are eightfold path. So if you follow this one eightfold path, we can leave a desire. We can give up the desire. So these like told by Gautama Buddha. And we can see one of the important religion, this Buddha only founded by the important religion, that is Buddhism. We can see at the present, we can see in all over the world spread this religion. We can see throughout the world. So today we can see in the place of Myanmar, Sri Lanka, Tibet, China, Japan, Thailand and Vietnam. So in these countries spread by the religion of Buddhism. So these like Gautama Buddha also one of the important person. So because of his lifestyle or because of his teachings way, till now people they are remembering, because of he gives so much of importance about to establish a peace and we want to live as a good life. So in that purpose for really given so much of contribution. So that's why still now people they are remembering to Gautama Buddha. So after that next one person we want to know, you are one of the important person. So we are remembering that person. So that person name here they given name as a Socrates. So Socrates is a Greek person. So he's a great philosopher. He's one of the knowledgeable person. He's one of the famous thinker and philosopher. So he born in the place of Athens. So in the year of 469 BCE. So in that time born by Socrates. He born in the place of Athens. Here they are saying 469 BC. And is one of the great philosopher on that time. Is one of the important philosopher. There is no other philosophers at the same period. We cannot see any other peoples. So these like of good knowledgeable person, that much of talented and knowledgeable person or philosopher, that is Socrates. And he is one of the truth and goodness and justice. So in that based on principles, he started by his lifestyle. And in that based lifestyle or in that based philosophy only written by Socrates. And here they say, as a person of high principles, he say, he felt that wrongdoing were a result of ignorance. So why peoples they doing the wrongs? So why they doing or why they adopted as a wrong method or wrong lifestyle? So because of, here they saying, ignorance. Ignorance means lack of the information about that particular topic or the particular ideas. So that's why people are ignorant. So that's why they are doing the wrongs. So if you have that knowledge, so if you have that talent, so why they are doing this like of work or why they are doing this like of mistakes? They are not doing. So that's why here they are saying, Socrates here is saying, so why people they have the wrong way or wrong method? Because of ignorance. And not only this one, so on that time in Greek peoples they followed, there are so much of bad social evils, bad practice. So these are the practice on the time opposed by Socrates. The government system or policy of society or religious matters, there are so much of bad evils he saw on the time of Greek. So that's why he opposed, he against these are the policy. So that they say. And next one he is saying, so why we are remembering always the Socrates? Because of, we are discussed, one is why people are wrong, because of ignore, they don't know. So that's why they don't know, lack of the information. So that's why they are doing so much of wrongs. And next one here is saying, so why we are remembering, second one point here is saying, Socrates is saying, so any things if you are thinking, any matters if a person, if they are thinking, you want to think as a wisdom. Wisdom is important. And here they say self-development. We want to give so much of importance to self-development, not a material wealth, not for only the money or architecture or land or material wealth. So no, in these materials for in this matters for should not give that much of importance. We want to give importance only for self-development, means human development. We want to, first of all, we want to develop. That means we want to adapt a good life, good way, truth. So these are the matters we want to should adapt. And second one here is saying he also believed that virtues were human beings. So he is saying virtues, that means good quality. So morally good quality persons. So if we want to live, so that like we want to give so much of importance to values. So if you adopted good values, we are not doing any wrongs. So that's why you also lead as a principal's life. So that only told to peoples. So we want to should, why we are doing wrong? Because of the ignorance. So that's why we want to get the knowledge. We want to develop first our self-development. After that, we want to adopt as a good moral values. So that like is saying. And on the time, he became as one of the good leader on the time in the place of Athens. Because of on the time, the place of the Athens become as the corrupt. People, they're doing the corrupting. So on the top of the society. So that's why he became as a leader and he started to give awareness and he started to awareness to the peoples. He given education. So what was the society? How our society has become as a wrong way. How we can conduct or how we can take that one as a good route. So in that based teachings he started in the place of Athens. So when he started, there are so many people, they started to follow the Socrates. And we can see one of the important leader. So he also became as a follower of Socrates, that is Plato. So he is also one of the important, here is saying is one of the important philosopher on the time in Greek. So he was influenced by the teachings of Socrates. But finally, so when the Socrates started to oppose the policy of society, so some of the people, they started to oppose of Socrates. So here is saying finally, he died. So how he died? So he drank emelach. Emelach means this is a one type of poison. So he drank this one poison. After that, he died. So these like we can see Socrates is one of the important philosopher and he given so much of importance about human development. Means moral values and self-development. So in that purpose only given so much of information or ideas to the society. So not only this one, on the time is one of the important leaders. So that's why still now we are remembering about Socrates. And after that, so now we are discussed about there are two important people. One is we are discussed about Gautama Buddha, second one Socrates. So after that, next one person we want to know, that is Rajaram Mohan Rai. So Rajaram Mohan Rai also one of the important leader in India and is one of the greatest social and religious reformer and is the first person started social and religious reformation in India. So here is saying Rajaram Mohan Rai is born in the place of Bengal in Brahmin family in the year of 1772. And here they say he got a good education and is one of the great scholar, is a great philosopher. So on that time, and not only this one, and talented person, and not only this one, here they say, in knowing there is so many of knowledge language. Is one of the multi-talented person in knowing so much of knowledge. So here they say Bengali, English, Sanskrit, Latin, French, Arabic, Persian, Hebrew. So these like in knowing so much of people. So why you learn these are the language? Because of you want to know the other religious matters. After that, we want to say to people which one is good. What is good life? We want to say to the people. So in that purpose, you learn different language and different tradition, different religions books. After that, you started to preach about what you got the knowledge to preach in Indian society. So here they say, so that's why he's one of the important earliest social and religious reformer in India in 19th century, in beginning of 19th century. And here saying he established Brahma Samaj. So based on Brahma Samaj, he started to preach to peoples, to common peoples. So which one is good? So what is meant by Hindu religion? What was the practice we want to should do? What is good way? How we can get to salvation? So we want to get salvation or mukti or heaven. So what was the works we want to do? So these are the matters he started to preach to common peoples. And not only this one, on the time in our Indian society, people they practiced, there are so much of bad evils in our society. So here they given, one is idol worshipping and caste system, we can see child marriage, sati system and polygamy. So when these are the bad evils practiced by Indian peoples, so Rajaram Mohan Rai seriously opposed. No, Indians, we should not follow these are the practice, because of our religious books did not told about these are the matters, so we want to should stop it. So that's why seriously he opposed, there are so much of bad evils of our Hindu society. So based on his work, so one of the important leader in British, so that person here they given the Governor General of India, Lord William Bentinck. So when the Rajaram Mohan Rai focused about to progress of Indian society or Hindu society, so Lord William Bentinck he also given the support, and he passed one of the new law in India, and he declared or he implemented in India in the year of 1869. So that is, here is saying, if anybody they practice the sati system, that is equal to criminal offense. So we are giving punishment for them. So when they implemented by Lord William Bentinck, so these like of act, the cases of sati system was reduced. So this is one of the important contribution given by Rajaram Mohan Rai. So not only this one, so he given contribution about social and religious matter, both also. He reformed Hindu society, and what was the bad evils practiced on the time Hindu religion, he given awareness to common people. No, we should not follow, these are the practice. This is not our religious faith or your religious practice. So why you are following, these are the matter, should not follow it. So these like he given awareness to common people. So that's why still now we are remembering Rajaram Mohan Rai. So these are the important three persons about we are discussed in this class. One is Gautama Buddha, second one we are discussed about Socrates, and we are discussed another one Rajaram Mohan Rai. So next class students we can discuss about some other important peoples also is there. So they also given so much of contribution in our society. So still we are remembering these peoples. So who are the peoples? This one we can discuss in next class. Okay, thank you.